dream, Jimin stepped on his bandmates' backs to do a flip, and it was just mind-blowing.
Jimin looks very enthusiastic and energetic whenever he's on stage. But, Kai is matchless when it comes to presenting various styles of dance. He trained in ballet and jazz dance when he was in elementary school, and he gained fame as a dance prodigy when he was little. Just look at his incredible turns. Doesn't he look like a professional ballerino?
Well, Jimin could have also made a career out of dancing. Don't you know that he was admitted to Department of Modern Dance in an art high school with top scores? If he had continued pursuing modern dance, I'm sure he would have won so many international dance competitions. BTS are known for their powerful dance performances, but Jimin adds his emotional sensitivity and makes the dance moves appear powerful yet graceful.
I think I know what you mean. He does give off a different vibe from his bandmates.
And when he dances, you can tell that he's trying to deliver flawless dance movements, focusing even on his fingertips and the tip of his toes. That's why you can help but admire his body lines that look very refined.
And you can say the exact same thing for Kai. He turns heads with his sexy facial expressions and the way he brushes back his hair.
Oh my god! Jimin looks really sexy when he runs his fingers through his hair too. I think this is a real attention grabber. Maybe we should practice this too, Daisy.
You mean like this? How was that? Was that sexy or what?
Well, how about this?
Well, I think we need to both practice on this.
Yeah.
And remember, the winner of the Battle of the Stars is actually selected based on your vote. We actually posted a message on our Facebook page earlier asking our viewers to vote for the idol star who deserves to be called the Dancing King. And I can't wait to find out the result.
Kai versus Jimin, Jimin versus Kai. Who's the Dancing King chosen by our Pops family? Let's find out right now. The winner actually received 70% of the votes, and it's Jimin from BTS. Congratulations, Jimin!
Oh, that's too bad, but still that doesn't mean that